How to add search bar in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Microsoft Excel. Open your file in which you want to include the search box. After that, as you can see, I've opened this file. Now to insert the search box like at the top, you simply need to select the range of your file first. And now to open the prompt of new formatting rule, use the shortcut key Alt plus H plus L plus N. And now after that, in this prompt you simply need to choose the formula to determine which cell to format. Then after select the cell, click on OK and then you will be able to see the search box. Now when I enter the value RG, as you can see, you can find the solution here in the table. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.